Okay, so we've created recipes. Now, I guess you're wondering, what is a sub-recipe? So let me explain what exactly a sub-recipe is. A sub-recipe is a recipe used inside another recipe. This is sometimes called a prep recipe. For example, if we are making an eye fillet steak and we're using a pre-made sauce across all those steaks that we've prepared earlier, we can create that as a sub-recipe. So I'm going to walk you through that journey there. So steak sauce is the sauce I'm going to create, and I'm going to prepare ahead 5 liters of this. So steak sauce for eye fillet. Throw in an image, and let's add some ingredients. First of all, let's add some stock. Here we go. Let's add some butter, unsalted, 1.5 kilos. That's what we want. And some pepper. Now, obviously, there will be more ingredients, but for simplicity, I will show you what it looks like with 3 ingredients. Okay, so first off, how much stock is used in this recipe? So let's assume we're using 4.5 liters, and this is sold in 1 liter units. So let's go 4.5 liters. How much is used to make this recipe? 4.5 liters. So that's holding 1 liter units. So we need 4.5 of these. Now, for butter, let's assume we're using 500 grams. So 500 grams. And because that's 1.5 kilos, it's a third of that, so 0.33. So here we are going to use 50 grams of pepper. And 50 grams as a proportion over 1,000 grams, which is a kilo, is 50 divided by 1,000, so that's 0.05. And there we go. That's the total cost of this sub-recipe. Now, let's see what it looks like when we add this to the main recipe. So let's go back to the eye fillet. Now we can add that just like a product. Steak sauce, here we go. Now let's assume we are using 50 milliliters. This product. And if we're using 50 mils and we have created 5 liters, we can make 100 steaks from this prep recipe. So here you go, 35 cents for each serving of that steak sauce. Now that will be automatically added here. And as those costs change, cost percentages and profit percentages will also change automatically. This can be applied to cocktail prep and any sort of batch recipes, but if you need any help in organizing or creating these sub-recipes, please reach out to info@theopenpantry.com.